All right, the shingle with the X on it there is the one we're going to be replacing. He's going to go ahead and start. All right. You want me to grab the shingle for you over there?
I got it.
Okay. Shingle that was replaced. Area there. And you can see in the video just the amount of wind creases that is just in this small little region we're standing on. I'm going to be using the snake tool today. You can hear the aggregate just from how brittle this roof is when you use the snake tool. Is that all of them?
Nope.
Yeah, I thought there was one more over here. Okay, hold on, let me get down.
I gotta seat them.
Okay. Oh, yeah, yeah, you're good. Okay, so yep, I'm gonna stand right here. Okay, so you can see this is the shingle that was replaced, and above it, I'm doing it lightly with just my bare fingers. And there is obvious damage to the shingles above it. Impact from the snake tool. And there, easy to see, mimics hail damage. And multiple creases along the shingle, the 2 rows of shingles above the one we replaced. Again, this is the one we replaced. Plenty of creases. Get a close up to see. This roof is not repairable. This is Linda Oliver's. Go ahead and do a little view of the house so you know we're at the right location. And yes, this roof is not repairable. Thank you for your consideration.